This screen is picture perfect glass, not a single speck of dust on it or anything. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. In my last video, I just installed the new 16-inch QHD screen from the new Junipers into my original Juniper here, and now we need to protect the screen. So we have the Vion 16-inch screen protector, and as you can see here, designed for the 16-inch screen, 9H hardness, anti-glare. It's real glass. Very easy installation, super easy installation actually, I should say. And it has an oleophobic coating, so that means it's oil and fingerprint resistant, so that's just gonna help keep your screen cleaner for longer from all the fingerprints. I've always used screen protectors on my phones, tablets, and all my Tesla's screens, so nothing new here. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Very simple, should take you a few minutes at most. Let's get started. And of course, you can save 10% off on the screen protector and all of Vion's amazing products on their website, Vion.parts, with my code TFIG. You can also get their super cool phone mount here. And I just replaced my cabin filter and my HEPA air filters as well, since I've had the car for 1 year now. So you can go ahead and check out that video also. And everything on their website is extremely affordable, and with the extra 10% off, just makes it that much sweeter. So let's get started with the installation. Okay, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and put our screen into screen clean mode. There we go, very simple. Now we can touch the screen and we don't have to worry about pressing any buttons. What's really cool with screen clean mode is we actually have to hold to exit, and you see it takes 3 seconds of holding. So there's no way we're going to have any issues with the install. Vion gave us some nice wet wipes and all for the installation. So we're gonna go ahead, clean that down, and then the next step will be actually just putting the screen on. So here's our screen. We're gonna take the backing off, and we can see just how good this is. It gives us the perfect mounting spot to mount the screen, and there's no way you can mess this up. So now that the screen is clean, we're gonna go ahead and attach the bracket here. And it's a perfect fit. It is nice and tight in there. And there's really no way to get dust on the screen because you're pulling the backing off. And whatever dust is there is gonna come off with the backing, which is super, super nice. So now, as we're pushing, we can go ahead and pull here, which is gonna pull the backing off the screen. There we go. Oh, look at that. That is actually really, really nice. I've never used a screen protector installation tool like this before. Usually you pull the backing off and you hope that there's no dust that goes on between the screen and the screen protector while you go ahead and put the screen protector on. So with this, again, there's no way that you can get dust. As long as you clean the screen properly, there's no way you can get dust on the screen protector or the screen itself, because even if a couple of pieces of dust actually make its way on there, nothing's gonna happen because you're pulling the backing off to install the screen protector. So just giving it a little bit more of a push here. They did very generously include a squeegee tool here as well, which is awesome because that's gonna make it very, very easy to get out any air bubbles, if there are any, in between the screen protector and the screen itself. One thing I forgot to mention before you put the screen protector on, if you have any dust that's just hard to get off, I always love using these big dust stickers, especially when I'm doing phone screen protector installs. Phone screens always seem to attract a ton of dust. I'll use the sticker. You just go ahead and quickly dust off the screen with the sticker here, and that really gets those hard to reach pieces of dust that just want to stay on there. Now it's been 30 seconds. We can go ahead and hold the installation tool on. And while we do that, we're gonna pull on this sticker here. And there we go. We can go ahead and pull the tool off now. I'm just gonna push slightly against the screen as I do that. We have these big air bubbles that are actually there between the screen protector and the screen. So these, we're gonna leave this top plastic here, easily squeegee these out, just like that. Look at that. That's gonna come off so easily without streaking the screen or anything. So very simple. Just a few big air bubbles there. Coming out super easily. Again, this is such a good screen protector installation tool. We got a couple more smaller of the bigger ones here. And there we go. Now we can take this top plastic portion off, and we're gonna reveal that there's not a single piece of dirt under the screen protector. No dust, no dirt, nothing. The screen protector installation was perfect. If you want to be extra sure, you can squeegee these corners here. We can see there's no air bubbles or anything. You can go around just like that, double check. And again, you see nothing. Look how beautiful this is. We got a lot of reflections here off the screen, but we can see this screen is picture perfect glass. Not a single speck of dust on it or anything. No dust between the screen and the screen protector. This is probably the best screen protector installation I've done, and I've done probably about 100 now, including phone screen protectors for me, my whole family. Back in the day, my first job, I worked at Geek Squad, and I always was installing screen protectors on phones and tablets, so I've definitely installed over 100. And this is the easiest one. There's no way to mess this up. As long as you clean the screen first, you are all set to go. Also, I have a second screen protector here from Vion, so I have two of them, and one of them is for you guys. So I'm gonna do a little giveaway. If you made it this far into the video, comment down below, Vion screen protector is awesome. So comment that down below, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. I'll announce giveaway winner in 2 weeks in a post on my channel, and I'll reach out to you personally by replying to your comment. So comment down below, Vion screen protector is awesome, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. And like I said, guys, super plain and simple. That was the easiest screen protector I've ever installed. The tool is flawless. You can't mess up with this tool because it pulls the backing off when the screen protector is already attached. So it'll pull off whatever dust is already there with it, and you are all set to go. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, you can save 10% off with my code TFIG on vion.parts. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next video.